My name is Ricardo Romeo. I work for Hika Aero, and I'm Vice President of Engineering. Hika Aero is the product arm of two parent companies, two service companies, Aluvionic and Novel. Hika Aero is a startup, an aerospace startup, and what we do is we develop technologies for vectored thrust. We've had a lot of challenges in this technology space that the aerodynamic challenges that we encountered is where the SimCenter Star CCM Plus really helped. We have an externally driven propeller design, so all of the motors are on the outside, all of the controls are on the outside, and we needed to find a duct that covered that for aerodynamic reasons. The SimCenter Star CCM Plus was able to not only cover it, but also actually increase our thrust by about 8% for our design. So that was really huge because we're trying to create as much thrust as possible in the smallest disc area that we can get. Because this is going to personal flying devices, think about Joby aircraft and all these Uber air taxi types that everyone is using it. It's for that type of application. Well, if I didn't have access to the CFD products, the alternative would have been trial and error. We really just didn't have the expertise in-house. We really didn't have the capabilities of software, hardware, until we had access to the SimCenter Star CCM Plus software. And especially the Siemens analysts that helped us through our challenges for aerodynamics. The analyst, Peter Burns, capabilities that SimCenter Star CCM Plus had, and able to look at variables that I didn't really think about. And so we ended up with a much better design than if they had just solved the problem that I originally asked them to do. The final duct design is completely different than what we started out with. And after running the simulations, what we found was that the duct design that the optimizer, design manager from the SimCenter Star CCM Plus, with all the parameters that we gave them, what it came up with was 8% more thrust out of the same disc area. So it was pretty amazing how many different combinations, and not just for the size radius that we asked them for, but they were able to run something like 250 different simulations and give me different duct designs for different radiuses, because we were trying to hit a very small area for the Boeing GoFly competition, and really couldn't have achieved it unless we had this great help from the Siemens team. Siemens reaching out to startup companies like us where we wouldn't have access to this. That's, to me, this is what fellowship really is like.